Welcome back with a new session that's called Azure DevOps Pipeline with the stages creation. Okay. In the previous video, you can able to see how we can able to create a new pipeline and also how we can able to create a pipelines dependency. Those things we saw, right? Even we saw about how we can able to create a Microsoft free account and how we can able to enrolling for pipelines, parallel running pipelines. Those all the things we saw, right? Now the same thing we are going to do for stages now. Okay. The same build which we have done previous, right? The same one we can able to do for different way. Okay. Sorry. So and new pipeline I'm going to create because we need to know about the which pipeline we are going to create and all right. For that I'm going to create it for this now. And we can create for GitHub YAML and we have for DevOps Docker, DevOps master, ah, DevOps master. Okay, and we are going to create for build for Docker image. This is the basic Docker. Sorry, started deploy as build and push an image to content repository starter. And I'm going to change for name of this particular pipeline, not Azure pipeline one. And just I'm going to add for hyphen stages. Okay, this is my YAML file, and here I'm going to use for this or that master and images, which is this is a Linux one, and here are the steps are presented. Okay, and even now in these steps we are going to create for our uh, stages. Okay, now 1 minute. Sorry. Now here we are going to create for our stages. Okay. Now here the pool after pool just enter and use it here. We are going to create for stages. Okay. And colon. Once we create the stages and here we can able to use for stage colon and we can able to use for which stage you want. Right. Like previous dependency time also I explained right one thing like real time what will happen there are certain stages like a QA stage dev stage and pi stage and normal stages and like UAT and prod those are the different stages will be there. Okay, each stage that dependency will be present. Okay, whenever the dev team is committed code then we can able to say there is a deployment will go and we can able to say it is a build stage. Okay, I'm going to mention for build. Okay, and then we can able to use for hyphen here we can able to mention for jobs. Okay, what jobs we need to use here like if you want for multiple jobs to be added and you can able to add it if you want to for single job then you can able to use for single job. Okay, and here I can able to mention for uh, first job. Okay, this is my first job. Okay, and here we can we need to mention for icon. jobs colon job. Okay, this is my first job, and job inside the job we can able to create for steps. Okay, step. Okay, in the steps we can able to mention here hyphen dash colon echo first job. Okay, this is one kind of job we can able to mention. Okay, the similar format we can able to go ahead for all the things. Okay, like if you want to create another stage, then we can able to create for another stage hyphen stage colon, and you can able to here we can able to use for dev deploy. Okay, dev deploy stage, and even you can able to mention for inside this here also. Okay, like this we can able to mention, and these are the things I'll remove. Okay, bad index mapping jobs. Okay, now the index positions need to be perfect. If that is missed out, then we can't able to see properly. Okay, and then again we can able to go ahead for another stage, that is QA. Okay, QA job. Okay, and here also I'm going to use for dev deploy. Okay, here I'm going to mention for QA because job name is called the stage as QA, right? That's why. Okay, and here again I'm going to take one more piece. Now here we can able to go for UAT. UAT. Same job we can able to call it as a here also. Okay. And here you can remember one thing, and here the job is there, right? You can able to create n number of jobs. Okay. Each stage you can create for n number of jobs. There is no problem. And even you can able to create for dependency also. Depends on we are added, right? Similar format you can able to add for depends on also. Like that we can able to check. First we'll save and running for this one setup CA with the pipeline for stages. Okay, now I'm going to commit and I'm saving. It will commit that particular piece of code into there. Now you can see previous what will happen. We have four pipeline jobs 1 and 2 3 4 like this. Now you can see build, deploy, QA and UAT. Each one it is having. Okay, and also you can see jobs location also for job and deploy job and QA and UAT. If you have another job in build stage location, that also it will work. Okay, that also you can able to see in job location. Okay, now it is now started. You can see in a build there is only one particular job is there, that is a first, it is completed. Now you can see deployment is started. Okay, if you create depends on, if you don't create depends on also it will go, but only one thing, if it is fail also deployment will start. Dev deploy is it will start automatically. Okay. If this also fail, QA also it will start immediately because there is no depends on. Depends on means the job is pass or fail based upon that it will goes. If the job is passed, then only we need to go for like this. Otherwise, we need to stop. Okay. These are the stages, and here you can able to see jobs running also. Okay. We'll see for how we can able to create that also. Okay. Now you can see. Now I'm going to refreshing. You can see a new file called stages. This file got added. Okay. And the same thing, the stages also you can able to see what all the things are presented. Now UAT also started. Now UAT got success. My UAT stage also will be success. Okay. Like this we can able to see. Okay. Now again you can go ahead here and just now it is done and edit that particular pipeline. Okay. Now here we are going to do now uh, depends on. Okay. Depends on stage. Previous what depends on job we done, and now we are going to do for depends on stage. Now enter, and here depends on which one, that is a build. Okay. The similar format even we can able to add it here one more. Okay. Now I have told right this job we can able to create n number of jobs. Okay. Now I'm saving here. Okay. Enter, paste. Now here first job place I'm going to mention for second job. Okay. Second job. Okay. And the same thing I can remove here. Second job. Okay. Now first job and second job. Previous we are seen whenever the bill is hit, we saw only one particular job. Right now we can able to see for second as well. Even you can able to create in number of dependency also. Only one place I have added only depends on build. And if you want, you can able to create this one into here as well. QA place also we can able to add. No issue. And UAT also we can able to add. Okay, just it will check for whether that particular stage got success or not. Okay, now we are now change depends on we have added, and also one particular job is added. Now validate and save whether it is as expected is presented or not. And stages for the pipelines adding depends on tag and job. Okay, now just I'm going to save it. Once I save, automatically it will save and run. And here it will ask you for run as well. Now once you start the run, again see now previous what happened, it is having four depends. Without depends on what happened, stage build and deploy and also QA and UAT like this four in one place. Now we have added four depends on, right? After adding depends on, what will happen, it is created for the tree. This particular build if it is success we can able to go for depends on this particular dev deploy and also QA and UAT. If it is fail we can able to stop it. If it is fail here, then we need to stop there. Like this we can able to add for depends on and stages also. Not only in the job, stages also we can able to add. Stages is very easy to analysis like which stage we are stuck. Okay, in jobs also we can able to see the same thing we can able to see for stages also. But stages we can able to see perfectly without any issue because we can able to see the tree. You can see stages, and if you click for jobs you can see first and second now because we have for build place we have for two jobs we created. Okay, one is first and another one is second. Now it is hit for first job. Now it is waiting for second job. If second job also got success, then it will go for remaining jobs. Okay. Now see, here it is check, even we can able to check for what all the jobs got success and which job got failed. It will take little bit time because we are running only one particular Linux VM image, and even we can see from the later video sessions like other VMs also. Okay, like Mac or Window systems, even we can able to trigger that also we can see in the upcoming videos. Now sometimes what happen is that one EM is completed and second EM it is taking to allocate, and again it need to be set up and everything, right? That's why it is taking for more time because we are using for only a single VM, right? Now this is also it will take some time because it need to be hit for that particular one and the job allocation. Because some other free accounts created user also if they are trying, then it need to be allocated and everything need to be right. That it will take more time to see. See result got one fetching dependency key, repository checkout option and everything it is done. The agent request is not running because all the potential agents are running other requests. See, because of it is not running because of so many peoples are doing the same time couple of runnings. That's why it is not able to allocate the systems to run for those things. Otherwise, we can able to see it running also. Okay, don't worry, but it will pass as expected because of parallel. That system is not allocated due to that it is not showing. But while whenever you try for afternoon sessions or sometime, then definitely it will work as expected. Okay, thank you.